Let yourself get comfortable, either lying down or seated in a comfortable chair. The body fully able to relax for this deep, relaxing meditation. Begin now to close the eyes or half close the eyes, soft focusing on an area of floor about 2 feet in front of you. Allowing your senses to draw gently back into your inner body, your own private inner world. In this deep, relaxing meditation, your subconscious mind, for your safekeeping, monitors everything that is happening around you. If you should need to wake up, know that you will, and know that you can. But for now, simply follow my voice, letting the words fall softly on your ears, not concerned with anything outside yourself. All stress, all tensions begin to melt away. Take 3 deep, long inhale breaths. Breathe deep into belly, ribs, chest. Hold gently for a count of 3 before exhaling long out of the mouth. Continue to breathe this way, taking in 3 more deep breaths. You will hear my voice again shortly. In the state of calm and peace, you radiate confidence, love, enjoyment, freeing yourself of all the things which have been holding you back, all the doubts, all the fears, all the discomfort, all negative thoughts which have accumulated over the past years and now falling away. Begin now to check your body to ensure your body becomes totally relaxed. As your body relaxes, your mind relaxes, your breathing becoming more regular, easy, relaxed. Focus your attention now on your shoulders and back muscles. Flex your shoulders, feeling the muscles tighten, pull across your back. Now let the shoulders sink, softening, relaxing those muscles. Notice how your back muscles relax deeper. Now for the tips of your fingers. Tightly clench your fingers. Feel that tension. And now relax them. Notice how your breathing is becoming smoother, softer, more relaxation spreading across your body. your mind. Tighten your neck muscles and then allow them to relax. Feel tension melting away. Squeeze your face muscles. Feel your face tighten. Now relax them. Feeling your face soften. Your eyes, mouth, cheeks, jaw, soft, deeply relaxed. Your body now is loose, limp, heavy, deeply relaxed. Notice how your body sinks deeper into relaxation. Breathing becoming easy, regular, as I begin to count slowly from 1 to 10. With each number, you drift deeper still, peaceful, relaxed. 1, relaxed. 2, deeply relaxed. 3, whole body softening. 4, whole body sinking deeper, deeper. 5, eyes heavy. 6, breath steady, rhythmic. 7, deeper still. 8, deeply relaxed. 9, 10. You are now feeling so deeply relaxed. You find it easy to focus your attention using your imagination. Become aware of my voice now. Become aware of my voice and listen. As you go deeper and deeper into relaxation, you feel all your stresses and fears fall away. All unnecessary fear which has caused your restrictions, stopping you from doing the things you would like to do. All the negative thoughts which have prevented you from really enjoying your life are melting away.
Overcoming self-doubt. Your emotions.
Your mind.
Every day.
Your body.
You enjoy life more.
Being relieved of all the debris. All the thoughts that create fear. Begin to leave. Moving away from the body. Away from the mind with each exhalation. Imagine that you're filling your stores of wellness with each inhalation. Your whole body and being beginning to glow with energy, radiate health. Your mind is extremely powerful, and you are now instructing it to take care of you. Imagine a wonderful healing glow beginning to fill your whole body from your feet up through your legs, deep into your pelvis, abdomen, chest, spine, down the arms, to the hands, the tips of the fingers, whole body cleansing, repairing, healing, feeling so comfortable, so deeply relaxed as this healing glow travels into your head, face, scalp. You know you can access well-being through your mind. This fills you with confidence in your abilities to overcome all the things which have caused intense emotions and fears to arise. Your emotions begin to settle now as you drift deep, allowing this healing glow to fill your whole body, cleansing, repairing, healing. As your emotions begin to settle now, unnecessary fears fall away. All anger, frustrations and hurt you felt before, which got in the way of your decision making, are now back in their correct place, leaving valuable insights which enable you to come to better, more constructive thoughts and conclusions, no longer in the way of you thinking clearly. Your mind is clear, is strong, positive. Your confidence grows every day. You believe in yourself. You are proud of yourself, your new attitude. Your subconscious mind works at overcoming self-doubt. All the thoughts which have caused you mental anguish melt away as your emotions settle. New, positive emotions now come to the surface. Allow them to come. You will hear my voice again in a few minutes. You know now that your inner mind has all the answers you need. It has solutions to help guide your life to live full of possibility, positivity, joy, well-being. You can relax now, even deeper still. You can allow yourself to drift off into deep, deep sleep, knowing you will wake when it is the right time for you, knowing that when you wake, you will be enjoying your life more and more with each passing day. And so it is done.